Hi, I'm Swati, and I really want to talk about this book called Audition by Katie Kitamura. It's one of the books that's shortlisted for this year's Booker Prize, and it's one of the most unique books that I've personally ever read. So, the narrator in this book is an actress, and she's working on a play, and she's having difficulty with one part of the play where the first part of the play transitions into the second part, and this transition scene is causing so much difficulty because it leads to the play being split into two parts where the first part and the second part are completely different. So this is one of the most important scenes in the book, or I would say that it's a very important information going into this book. So this book starts with this woman who's the actress. She's entering into a restaurant and she's meeting this strange man who later claims to be her son, and she's particularly very sure that she has never given birth. So how can how can that person be her son? So I saw one of the interviews of Katie Kitamura, where she was specifying how she got the idea for this book. So she was telling that she read a piece in a newspaper where this man approaches a woman, where this boy approaches a woman, and he's like, I think you're my mother. And the author told that she never completed that piece because she knew that she wanted to explore that and maybe write a book on that. And then she was talking to one of her friends, and that friend told her that it's basically like that for every parent who has sent their children outside, or if the children have moved out and they're meeting after a really long time whenever they come home for Christmas or whatever, and they realize that this child that I gave birth to feels like a strange person. Like I don't even know him. So that's how it's for all parents. And that's how the author got the idea for this book. So this book feels like, going into this book, it feels like a mystery. You want to get into what's happening. I personally also felt that it was like a puzzle, which I heard from the author in an interview that this book does feel like a puzzle, but it's not meant to be solved. So I wish I knew that going into this book, because I was so intrigued and I wanted to get to the bottom of everything. And I think it's one of the fastest books that I've ever read. It took me like one night, like a few hours, to complete this book because I was so interested in whatever was going on. And at one point, I was so confused with everything because it does feel like a puzzle. The themes explored in this book are, parenthood, motherhood, art, love. The name of this book, Audition, comes from the fact, from what I believe, it comes from the fact that we don't know who we are as a person, or even more than that, I think the people that surround us don't know who we are as a person. Do they do they really know us? Do our family, friends, or basically the most closest relationships, our parents or our children or our spouse, do they even really know who we are, or are we just auditioning for every person that we meet in our life? Even in the book, you think you know the narrator, you know what her thought process is because she's narrating the book, and you think that you know what the thought process is, how she's as a person, if she's a good person, or if she's a bad person. But as you continue reading the book, it's like, I think I don't know who this person is. I've been reading about her, I think I knew who she is, but now I don't know, because I would say she seems like an unreliable narrator. um I found the book to be written like really beautifully. The things that are written, it hits so close to the heart. it's the book is really beautiful to read. It's very vulnerable to read, and it feels really authentic. And I also got to learn a few new words which I didn't know before, so that's a plus. One more thing which I felt was a lot of the part of this book is set up inside one of the houses. So it feels like a family drama where all the people are in the house, in the same room, and you feel so uncomfortable reading it sometimes that you're like, I want to get out of this house, I want to get out of this room. It's making me feel really weird. And I would like to conclude it by saying that this book will leave a lot of people frustrated, like truly frustrated, and you'll be like, I want to throw this book across the room. Uh, I know. I mean, not all books are supposed to please everybody. So that's one of the things. I personally really liked it because it was a unique experience, and I appreciated that. I got to read something new, something which I had not read before. So it was a unique experience. It was an interesting experience for me, but it might leave a lot of people really frustrated. So you'll get to know about it after reading it if you like it or not. But everybody has different tastes, so that's fine. But that's one of the things about this book, that it will leave you frustrated. You'll be like, huh? I mean, that's what it is. It's not supposed to be solved, so you're just gonna have to take it as it is. And now, if you liked my content, and if you want me to continue making videos about all the books, all the different books that I read books from a lot of different genres, and I like talking about them. So if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel, and do leave a like and comment on this video. Thank you.